Today I will show you how you can access media like images or audio files that you uploaded to your Flutterflow project from your custom code. So, as you surely know, you can just upload any, well, not any, but many different file types in your Flutterflow project, like Lottie animations, images, and audio files. The problem is the following. Flutterflow does not directly tell you where it saves these files. So usually if you're building an app in Flutter, you have your folder structure, and there you can see where your files are saved, and you can access them by providing the path. As I said, Flutterflow does not give you that path. You don't know where this is exactly saved. And if you click on the things, for example, if I click on this file, it just opens a new tab and shows you the version that's saved online. But that doesn't really help you there. So we need to do something else. So where would you need to access these files? For some custom actions, if you're importing other libraries, for example, the notification library, like awesome notifications, um, then you need to, for example, provide an image for the notification, or you want to play a custom sound. And if you want to play that sound, of course, somehow you have to provide the path or the file for that sound. And of course, you could just download the code from your Flutterflow project and do it in Android Studio, but that would be quite complicated. And also, you would do if you edit anything in the Flutterflow project afterwards, you would have to do it again in Android Studio, and well, that's not uh, that's not very efficient, I guess. So um, the first step, of course, is to upload your file. So you need to upload whatever we are using this audio file, for example, upload media, you upload it. Well, that's basically straightforward. The next step is that you can only access the media that you uploaded if you actually use it in your project. So the next step after um, um, uploading your media is to link it anywhere in your project. So what I like to do is to put up an extra page, and I call it page for asset initialization. And somewhere I just put the image I need in the custom code. I put it anywhere, doesn't matter the size. Or for the sounds, I just put them in the on page load and play the sound. And I link that page nowhere, so this page is never called. This is just necessary because if you download the code from Flutterflow, and the assets you uploaded to Flutterflow is not used in the pages that you created in Flutterflow, the assets will actually not be downloaded with your code. So in order to have these later on in your files when downloading the app, you need to use them somewhere. And that's how you use them somewhere. You can do it. You can also use them in a uh, how can I call it, in a useful way. But sometimes you just need to access them from custom actions and nowhere else, and then you can do it like that. Also, this method is especially interesting for local for native apps, so for iOS and Android, and because for web you can just use a new URL or something like that, and yeah, so it's especially um, useful for Android and iOS apps. So first step is uploading your media. Second step is to link them anywhere in your project. Now you go to your custom action, and in your custom action, you need to provide that path. I told you that you usually don't know that path. However, um, I do. So let me show you the path, the way it's formatted, and then you can just copy paste it. So basically, if it's an audio file you want to use, At least it's with this package, with the audio players package. Hopefully it's the same with other packages, but I think so. For the audio players package and for audio files in general, you just need to provide the path with audios slash file name, and note that you for the file name you need to also provide the ending. So, for example, if your file is called hello, then the path would be audios slash hello dot mp3, for example. Okay, that's it for audio files. Um, for images, it's a bit different. Let me show you an example. Um, for images, you wait a second. There it is. For images, you need the following um, the following structure. First, assets, then double slash assets slash images slash file name. Again with the ending, so let's call that image, whatever, image, image dot png or jpeg or whatever the ending of your file is. Okay, like this you can simply use um, the files you uploaded to Flutterflow in your local in your app with custom actions without actually having to download the code. And now I will just show you that this works. As you see, I'm calling a notification action here, and I'm setting the large icon to a file named logo fbx.png. It's this file. You see the name logo fbx.png, the emulator, and I will show you that this works. So I'm quickly setting up some settings with any input, just so you see the notification that's displayed and that the notification does actually have the image I provided in the custom action with the named structure. So shouldn't take very long, and then we should get, yeah, there it is. So as you see, we get the notification with the large image we provided with the name structure in a custom action without having to manually deploy the file, but just uploading it with Flutterflow. I hope you liked the video and see you next time.